Is your MINI Countryman R60's audio system acting up? Distorted sound, unresponsive controls, or Bluetooth issues are common problems that can often be fixed by resetting to factory defaults. This is a quick, DIY solution that restores original sound settings and resolves software glitches without needing a mechanic. We'll show you how in the next sections. The MINI Countryman R60 from 2010 to 2015 features a BMW iDrive-inspired audio system. This system is often paired with Harman Kardon premium audio or a standard radio setup. The head unit is the central processor, handling audio data and sending signals to amplifiers and speakers. Factory defaults feature a balanced equalizer, safe volume limits to protect the system, and no custom digital signal processing profiles. Resetting the audio system reverts everything back to these original factory settings. To access the reset function, first turn the ignition to accessory mode, which is position 1 without starting the engine. Then, press and hold the menu and back buttons on the radio simultaneously for 10 to 15 seconds. Watch for the screen to reset or a diagnostic menu to appear. If that doesn't work, try inserting a CD and holding the eject button. If your R60 has the CIC system, use the iDrive knob to navigate to Settings, then Audio, and finally Factory Reset. Confirm the reset. The system will reboot in 30 to 60 seconds, restoring the default settings. Note that not all models may have this feature. Before resetting your MINI's audio settings, ensure your car battery is adequately charged above 12.6 volts. A low battery can lead to incomplete resets and create further issues with the system. You can test the battery voltage using a multimeter to confirm it's above 12.6 volts before proceeding. No special tools are required for the reset itself, but an OBD2 scanner can help identify any existing error codes related to the audio system before you begin. After resetting your MINI's audio system to factory defaults, begin by testing the sound. Turn on the ignition to accessory mode, play a CD or connect a device, and check for clear audio across all speakers. If audio issues persist after the reset, common problems include Bluetooth connectivity glitches, speaker imbalances, or distorted sound. These often stem from pairing conflicts or calibration mismatches. For Bluetooth problems, repair your devices. Delete the old pairing from both your phone and the car's system, then initiate a new connection. Use the pairing diagram to follow the secure connection steps. For speaker issues, recalibrate the audio system. Use a microphone calibration device to ensure balanced sound across all speakers. Position the microphone as shown and run the calibration sequence through the radio menu. Community forums provide additional troubleshooting tips. Check Reddit's r/mini for user experiences and solutions to similar issues. Many owners share successful fixes for audio problems. If these steps don't resolve the issues, consult a professional audio technician. They can diagnose hardware problems and perform advanced repairs to restore your MINI's sound quality. While resetting is generally safe, avoid DIY attempts if you've recently modified safety systems or are unsure about the process. Persistent issues after a reset may indicate hardware faults. In such cases, consult a qualified mechanic to prevent further damage or voiding warranties. While automotive trends shift toward integrated smart technology, the MINI Countryman R60's analog roots mean that DIY audio resets remain a crucial skill for owners. The vehicle's analog architecture, without over-the-air updates, means owners must rely on manual procedures to maintain audio performance. By 2030, as many R60 models are phased out, these troubleshooting abilities become even more valuable for current owners. Performing regular factory resets can prevent cumulative software issues, ensuring your MINI's audio system continues to perform smoothly.